Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have Microsoft 365 and the dictate feature available. This matters because older builds lack live speech recognition. Next, make sure your microphone is connected and allowed in system settings. Windows or Mac OS will prompt. Open Excel, then go to the Home tab and click Dictate. Once you click Dictate, you'll see a ringing icon and live transcription. Start speaking clearly, because noise and distance reduce accuracy. And the app uses online models. You now control where speech goes by first selecting the target cell. Excel will insert text into the active cell. Speak in short phrases for better accuracy, and use vocal punctuation like comma or new line to format content. Say tab or enter when you want to move to adjacent cells. If you need to edit, say select last word or pause, click, and resume dictation. Make sure to change the language in Dictate if you switch languages, because misrecognition spikes otherwise. To finish, click the Dictate button to stop live input and then review the cells for errors. Don't trust automatic punctuation entirely. Save your workbook normally. Use the voice command undo or Ctrl+Z to revert recent mistakes quickly. If recognition is poor, make sure microphone permissions are granted, your internet connection is stable. Dictate often uses cloud processing and update Office to the latest build. If problems persist, test the microphone in another app to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.